Do you have a bunch of old wallpapers on your iPhone that you no longer use? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to remove any wallpaper from your iPhone. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to follow and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. So the first thing you need to do is swipe down from the top to open the notification center. Next, tap and hold on an empty space until the wallpaper becomes smaller. Swipe left or right and you'll see all these different wallpapers. Find the wallpaper you want to remove. For example, I'll choose this one. Once you find it, simply swipe up from the bottom. A small trash can icon will appear. Tap on it. Then, immediately after that, tap on the Delete this wallpaper option to confirm. And that's it for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.